You can definitely see leaking here. Oil leak. Not exactly sure why those are blocked off, or if they're even supposed to be. That's not good. Bits of stuff all down in there. Yeah, it was definitely leaking. This thing is nasty. I don't see any damage on the valves anywhere. Looks like that was hitting carbon though, right there on the exhaust. Intakes are, man, they are so freaking dirty. This is going to take a little bit more work than the block did. I'm going to do this for a while. We'll pull the camshafts off. We'll pull out the buckets, lifters, whatever you want to call them. Kidding tray for these. I have a hot spot. A lot of discoloring on there. I don't like how that looks at all. 914566, I think. 914566. Let's see. I'm just going to sit that over there for now. Go ahead and take the Inlet shaft off, camshaft. Bearing caps on both of them look okay. I don't like how the camshaft looks though. It's really, really dark. Nine 14565, I think. 9145. It looks like 65. Okay, I gotta try to encourage those to come out. These do look a little worn.